Contact TrustHab today to lower your student housing energy costs and protect your properties from water leaks and humidity damage. TrustHab can reduce your HVAC runtimes by 45% and lower overall electricity costs by up to 28%. Many student housing owners are literally throwing money out the window. The TrustHab platform easily pinpoints specific HVAC units showing excessive runtimes, often leading to the discovery of windows left open on hot days or below freezing nights. Real-time alerts for HVAC malfunctions and excessive runtimes not only save energy, but also extend the life of your equipment and allow you to detect maintenance issues before they escalate, saving repair dollars and boosting resident satisfaction. Updating to TrustHab's enterprise-controlled smart thermostat platform is a simple and affordable option to increase your net operating income. TrustHab's centralized platform gives you remote visibility and control of all your thermostats from one dashboard with intelligent monitoring. Students may also leave their units vacant for extended breaks during the hottest and coldest times of the year, wasting energy or leaving apartments vulnerable to damage from high humidity, mold, and frozen pipes. The TrustHab platform proactively mitigates high humidity and extreme temperatures, virtually eliminating mold claims and remediation. Contact TrustHab for a free demo to learn how you can start saving now. Learn more at trusthab.ai.